So, what is it like being a Modere social marketer or affiliate? That's exactly what I'm going to be going over with you in today's video. But first, if we have never met before, my name is Ashley Aylor. I help network marketers and online entrepreneurs grow and skyrocket their businesses utilizing the latest marketing strategies. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. First, I want to say that I have been with Modere for 4 years, but in the industry for over 8 years now. We are an international and global brand, and I'm going to be breaking it down and sharing with you exactly what it's like to be a Modere social marketer. But not only that, I'm going to be sharing with you the perks, why we are in such crazy momentum and completely blowing it out of the water, as well as why it may or may not be a good fit for you. So the very first thing that I personally love about this company and this industry as a whole, to be honest with you, for the most part, in my previous company, I did have to do a lot of three-way calls. I had to do a lot of Zooms and webinars and, training Zooms and onboarding Zooms. And whereas those things were great and I was able to sharpen my skill set, it left me with very little free time. And so that's really what stood out to me here at Modere is we have systems set in place where you can truly work this in your time around your schedule. And we have a plug and play system where you can plug your potentials into. And then of course, you'll be able to help lean on me for things like group chats and additional guidance and support to help you in growing and scaling your business. But you do not have to be the one to do the explaining on the products. You do not have to be the one to do the explaining on the business because we have a private group and private community with all of that information already in there provided for you. So you simply learn how to use the system and plug your potentials into this and it gets them all the information for them. So that's one thing I really love is you can literally come into this with no experience. If you know how to follow and learn this super simple Facebook system, if you're on Facebook, and it's not going to be a hindrance if you're not. You can even do this if you are like more wanting to do this as an affiliate and you are already on social media or already creating videos and content. You can start sharing these products and just earn an income by sharing these products. Next thing that I really love is we have a phenomenal culture and support system, as I was just touching on. I was able to, and I do want to preface and just make a side note that this is not necessarily the norm, or not to say it's not the norm. I just have to be careful with my wordings because I don't want to make any claims. However, it was really exciting. One of our mentors and leaders, they have a couple homes in Destin. I was able to go to a leadership retreat and mastermind, and that was something that I was able to earn through an incentive that was being offered. So maybe those incentives aren't going to be offered specifically that same one. However, there are cool things to look forward to based off of your performance and your efforts. And we have trip incentives, and you can earn free product credit anywhere from $50 to $200 a month in free product credit. So there are a ton of bonuses and incentives too that you get to look forward to, which for me, I'm very goal oriented and goal driven. So when I see a new incentive on the table, I'm like, I want to run after that. I want to go full force. So back to the culture and the support. The cool thing is regardless if you come onto my team and partner with me, not only are you going to have my mentorship and guidance, but you're going to have my leaders' mentorship and guidance. You're going to have mentorship and guidance and support from your sidelines. So people who aren't necessarily benefiting from you, but because they are just here to help and support you. That's the type of culture and community we have here. And I've been in this industry, like I said, for 8 years. I've never had that anywhere else. So the next thing is there's no income cap, which is really exciting. So you can truly make the most out of this. Whatever you want of it, you can make of it. So I always tell people, however much you're willing to put into it, you're going to get out of it. It's going to give you a return on your investment of time, your investment for getting started, which, by the way, if you're interested in exploring this further and you would like to look and take a deeper dive, then you can actually click the link below, which I'll link it in the description. It's going to be a way that you can directly message me on Facebook. If that does not work for you, I'll also have linked below my phone number that you can shoot me a direct text message to. Let me know you saw my video on YouTube and you're interested in learning more about the Modere business opportunity as a social marketer to see if it's a good fit for you. So the next thing is a dual-sided compensation plan. A lot of times when you join a network marketing company, it's really all about recruiting people, and a lot of people don't necessarily want to have to recruit people, and that's what really sets us apart. Is you don't have to recruit people to have a good income here or to have success here. In fact, you can hit the top of the compensation plan and be recognized for that and still earn trips by just signing up customers. So it's really different than other companies out there because of that, because of the fact that we have the dual-sided compensation plan. So maybe you do want to grow a team, you can still grow a team and, step into that leadership role of leading a team and having some amazing residual income coming in. Or maybe you're like, I just don't want to get involved with that. I just really want to be able to share these products. And so I would rather just share the products and earn an income off of that. You absolutely can. You can earn up to 36% on just selling products alone. Plus, we actually get daily pay. So you're going to earn the money off of those sales the same day that you gather those sales, which is super exciting because I know some other companies out there that it takes a few weeks to get paid. Some companies only pay once a month. We pay daily pay as well as monthly pay on your residual pay or bonuses. Another thing I really love is we have a wide variety of products. We are a toxic-free company, and so everything that we have, from everyday essentials to laundry detergent to dish soap to room freshener to skincare that's award-winning. We have lip plumper, we have collagen. Our collagen actually won #1 collagen in the entire world. We also have #1 weight management product, which is called Trim. It's our staple product, and that also has won #1 weight management product in the entire world. So not only do our products have amazing awards attached to them, but our company does too. We were recently recognized as the fastest growing direct sales company here in North America. That is also the #1 fastest company that is a female-led company. Our CEO is a woman. That's amazing. That's super exciting. And so when we won that award for being the fastest company, the fastest growing company that is led by a woman CEO, that was out of all companies. That was not just in the network marketing or direct selling space, which is pretty incredible. Plus, all of our products are backed by an empty bottle money back guarantee. So we have a lot of confidence that our products are going to work for individuals, and that says a lot alone. So it's a no risk investment to people if they want to try it. And everyone's different. Some people may feel like it doesn't work for them, and that's okay. It is a no risk investment so they can still get their money back. And I love being with a company that's so confident in their products that they are willing to attach a money back guarantee to it. Lastly, we have no quotas. We have no stipulations. You're not going to be penalized if you come in, you just say this is not a good fit for you, or you do not want to continue. Or maybe you come in and you hit the ground running and then you have to take a month or two off. That is okay. You can come back in and pick right back up where you left off, and you're not going to be penalized whatsoever. So I hope that this gave you a better insight and perspective of why Modere, why now, what it's like to be a social marketer, how exciting it is. I'm also going to show you some various pictures of us getting back from Cabo, and this last November, it was a trip that I was able to earn for us. It's one of the incentive trips. Currently, we have a trip to Punta Cana. By the time you watch this video, at some point, that may change. Every year we get a new trip incentive, but that's something that you can come in and look forward to as well. So let me know, get in touch with me if you have any questions regarding this video or becoming a social marketer. I would love to discuss those with you. I would love to go over your goals with you, and be sure to hit subscribe to this video. That way you can stay in the loop on my latest episodes that I put out weekly. Otherwise, have a great day.